Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, understanding Boolean values. Another data type is the Boolean. Booleans may only be one of the two values, true or false. They are basically little on off switches where true is on and false is off. These two states are mutually exclusive. So note that Boolean values are never written in quotes. That is, the strings in double quotes true and in double quotes false are not Boolean and have no special meaning in JavaScript. So the task for this challenge, modify the welcome to booleans function so that it returns true instead of false when the run button is clicked. So, welcome to booleans. Only change code below this line. Change this line. Modify the welcome to booleans function so that it returns true instead of false when the run button is clicked. Right now it's returning false, so just send it true. So run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.